Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters in Islam, you are welcome to Arridowy Lectures TV. Marhaba. Inshallah, bi qudratullah, I want to give more explanation about a new program that will be happening on this channel, Arridowy Lectures TV, and also on our WhatsApp TV. If you have not joined our WhatsApp TV, kindly text Assalamu alaikum to this number showing on your screen to join Arridowy Lectures TV. On your WhatsApp, save this number as Arridowy Lectures TV and text Assalamu alaikum to this number so that you can be able to view our status on WhatsApp. And we post Islamic posts, daily Quran recitation, daily hadith, and we also do giveaway and so on. So kindly try to join our WhatsApp TV with this number showing on your screen. Just text Assalamu alaikum to this number showing on your screen. Inshallah, bi qudratullah, the program we pondering on, we are trying to unite the two couples together. If you are a Muslim that you are finding a wife, you are finding a wife to marry, a Muslim, a sister to marry, please, this program is for you. We will be going live on YouTube, and also we will be giving duties on our WhatsApp TV. Try to join our WhatsApp TV for you to be able to participate in this program. And also, if you wish to marry a second wife, third wife, fourth wife, as Islam have permitted us to do so, if you are a man and you are capable to do so, this program is for you. This program is for you also, a woman, a divorced woman that you are no longer with your husband again. This program is for you. Text, if you have not been able to be viewing our WhatsApp status, kindly text Assalamu alaikum to this number showing on your screen. Now, text Assalamu alaikum to this number showing on your screen. This is an introduction to this our new program. The Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put barakah in it for us, and also the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses it as an act of ibadah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.